It's June 26th. This is near the end of my first full day at sea. Kind of boisterous conditions. I want to take the camera out and let you see what some of the waves look like. These are easily 3 meter seas, maybe 4. It's making the deck very slippery, so I got to be very careful here. Well, that chart there pretty much tells it all. This is our speed. We are truly becalmed here. Give you a look outside. I've had the motor running since midnight last night. It's now the 28th of June, and it's 1:30 now. So I've just made a decision that I'm just going to accept this, and hopefully it's not going to last long. But at this early stage of the trip, I don't feel that I can afford to waste or use my fuel, because when I get to the Pacific High, which is is another 300 or 400 miles ahead of me, I'm going to need that fuel. So I'm just going to have to be patient. We've got some waves coming in. This indicates there's some weather up there somewhere, and every now and then I get a little puff of a breeze, but you can hear the sails flopping in the breeze. And this gives you an indication of what becalmed looks like. Beautiful out here. It's nice and flat, so I'm going to use this time to get some chores done in the cabin. Maybe prepare some meals. Have some sandwiches made for hopefully what will be coming, which is going to be some more wind. And we'll see how long this takes. It's now 1:20 on the 28th, and I hope that in just a few hours I'll be able to report that we are underway again, and with a nice 12 to 15 knot wind. We'll see. Well, it's dawn on the 29th, and I'm completely becalmed. Roughly 300 miles north of the Hawaiian Islands. I put the sails up last night in the hopes that some wind would come up in the middle of the night. No luck. They're just flopping back and forth. I've got to come up with some kind of a strategy on how I'm going to deal with this. I'm thinking in terms of just maybe staying and whenever this happens, and the problem is I've got another 500 miles of this potential happening as I go north. So I'm going to try to come up with something. Maybe I'll give it a couple of days in every place, and then maybe a day of motoring just to leave the area. And unfortunately, I don't have enough fuel to be able to motor my way at will, because I don't want to get stuck out here with no fuel. Because when I get to Sitka, I'm going to need fuel in order to negotiate the harbors and the other all the boat traffic, etc., etc. I can't just depend on sail. So I've got to be able to have a reserve fuel. It is beautiful out here. I wonder if there's any cases of somebody just sitting there forever.